this has been my father. Today we're making donuts.
Who else is with us today? Who needs to get out of the kitchen?
This is Leia, our dog.
Hi, Leia. She's gonna have to get out of the kitchen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyways, we are making donuts today
And
out of our air fryer.
Yes, and who do we have to thank? Who told us to make donuts?
Oh, the Brackets told us to make donuts.
So, shout out to the Brackets.
Yes.
Hi, Katie.
Hi. So, we are not making our own dough. We are using Brand's extra fluffy biscuit dough, and I'm gonna pop this open.
Get the spoon and push it on the seal.
Where?
On the seal.
What's a seal? You might want to edit this.
No, we're not gonna edit this.
Please.
Everything is live. Right here's the seal. Push it with the spoon.
Oh my gosh. Anyways, we're using that, and we have our cinnamon sugar combination here that my dad already made.
And it is 5 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 3 tablespoons of cinnamon. And
our butter.
we're gonna melt some butter. We'll do that later. And so we'll go ahead and stop now. And Avery's going to take the well, she can go ahead and spread them out. And then we're gonna use a bottle cap, because we don't have a cookie cutter to do it, to do the holes. And then later we'll make donut holes. So Avery's gonna do that, and we'll film that in a minute. Avery, you wanna say anything else before you get going?
Bye.
How was your school day today?
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
You're helping little kids play volleyball, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't like story time, do you?
No.
Okay. All right. We'll be back in a couple minutes. Hi, Avery.
We are back. So we didn't want them touching, so we spread them out and put some donut holes in there. We are gonna put the rest in the refrigerator to keep them cold. And now we're gonna put it in 350 for 6 minutes. Go.
All right. We'll be back in 3 minutes. And anything else you want to talk about?
Nope.
What's your favorite superhero movie?
I like the Captain America ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That's all. All right. We'll be back.
Okay, so 3 minutes is up. We're gonna take the donuts out. And we're gonna flip the donuts and take the donut holes out.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna flip these puppies. Actually, they look pretty close. You can see that the tops are a little more brown. They smell yummy. They smell, just like biscuits. A little warm. I don't think we're gonna need a full 3 minutes. So we may do a little bit less. I don't know if the donut holes are done, but we're gonna try them. Okay, so we're gonna put the donut holes on this little plate. My hands are clean. Okay, and while the rest cook, we're gonna do the donut holes. So we're gonna put this back in here. We'll let it go 3 minutes, but we'll probably take it out a little before then. Okay, so now I'm gonna take these, bring these over here. We melted some butter, so it'll just help it stick. So we'll just give these a little. Okay, so now I'm gonna just drop these in here. Oh, where'd my spoon go? Rinse this off. Now we're just gonna. Okay, and then we'll. Oh my goodness.
Good?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness. That is so good.
That's really good. That's like really good.
Okay, so I'm gonna check the other donut. So be right back.
Okay, so they look finished. They're really fluffy and doughy. So I guess I'll take them out.
It's gonna be really hot.
Very hot. And we're going to put a little bit of butter on them.
Put it on the sides and stuff too.
Sides. It's like I'm painting. I'm gonna put it on the bottom too. It's very hot. And then we're gonna put them in the mixture we made. We're going to put it all on it. The donut holes are very good, so I'm very excited for these. That looks good.
All right, you want to put it on the plate?
Yes.
You want to try one?
No.
No. Okay, so sorry, I stepped on the dog who's not supposed to be in the kitchen. Get out of here. Okay, so Avery, what do you think?
Very good.
This is a win.
Win.
Okay, awesome. So we're gonna make them and we're gonna eat them.
Yep.
So everybody should try this recipe.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, this is Andrew. And
Hello.
Andrew, that is a sugar and cinnamon donut. Take a bite and tell us what you think.
Very good.
Very good. Okay, say bye to the camera.
Bye.
Was it really yummy?
It is very good. It's very soft.
Okay.